Okay, so this might be very well the first documented squeeze and shake. That's what I'm going to call it, an S&S for short, because it's in a plastic Pop Secret popcorn bottle, and it was sterilized in a microwave for 3 minutes. We've got some field corn and some bird seed. Those were cleaned and cleaned again and soaked for 24 solid hours and then given a simple towel dry, because I assumed, and I was right, that it was going to lose a lot of moisture in the form of steam during the microwave process. And I was right. So in the case that I left a little too much moisture in there, I added also some dry brown rice to the mix prior to jarring and sterilizing, to pick up any extra moisture that the steam didn't get. So, as you can see, it's coming along, looking good. And this is from 8-2. We keep it pretty cool in the house, 73, 74. So it's hanging in there with the regular old glass jars. Oh, now that is regular old priority paper, postage paper top in lieu of a lid. They actually have very a little bit of porosity, I guess you would say. It's slightly porous. As a matter of fact, when you put it in the microwave, it will blow up sort of like a balloon, but then it'll soon come down. So it's a little bit of a gas exchange there. And then I like to use the old Harbor Freight cheap zip ties there. So let's try the first hope documented squeeze and shake, and let's get this spawn woken up and get this thing expedited. So let's see how it goes here. See what, there's one squeeze. There's another one. Still may have to do a traditional B and S on it, but I wanted to start off by doing a squeeze. Hold on, let me forget the shake. Let me switch hands. There we go, right hand there. Now we got it. Let's see, squeeze. Oh yeah. See the brown rice there. So anyway, I'm just proud of the results so far. I've got a twin sitting over here, fraternal, because, he's sitting right here, by the way. Say hey. Powerade bottle. And they left him in there for 5 minutes. Because I figured, you look at this bottle, he could stand a little more excess heat. So I left him in there for 5 minutes, and actually he stands up good and tall right by himself. And so we got some good spawning activity going on there. So between the two of these guys, I might wait a couple of days before I start messing with him, but I think this guy was ready to wake up and get moving. So okay. S&S. Squeeze and shake on a plastic microwave. Postage paper tech. Signing out. Say goodnight.